Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Zaria McQueen, and in today's video I'll be showing you how I achieved this look only using the Got2B Freeze It spray. Yes, I know that all of us in the wig wearing community, we have had our trials and tribulations with Got2B Freeze It spray, with the gel, the yellow bottle, the black bottle, and today I tried out the yellow bottle spray only use that to secure my wig, and I kind of like how it turned out. So basically, some specs about the hair is that this is a 20-inch natural wave Brazilian lace front 13x4 wig from DYHAIR777. They're an AliExpress company, and I'm pretty sure a lot of you have heard about them. I've seen a bunch of tutorials featuring their hair, and I've heard some good things, and I finally got the chance to try them out. So yeah, basically this unit is 130% density. It's in its natural black color. This is their natural wave, and yeah, I'm gonna show you guys in the video how much parting space I have. But as you know, it's your traditional 13 inches across and 4 inches back for parting space. And yeah, I really do like this hair, and I did co-wash it. This is how the hair looks after being washed and air dried. I did not put any heat on this hair, and the only product that is in this hair right now is my trusty argan oil. Y'all know I love that oil. I put it on all my wigs, weaves, whatever you name it. This hair, I'm using that oil on it only because it always gives me like great results. Like when you put it on your hair and let it air dry, your hair will dry with the prettiest luster. Like the wave, the curl of the hair will dry like really nice and really give you that good look. So I really like this hair, and yeah you guys, it was really cool and really easy to work with this unit. It's only 20 inches long, so it's not that long, and y'all know I love long hair, but I really do like this unit, and I especially like the density because it's not super thick, but it's not super thin either. When I put it here, it looks beautiful, and it's really light. And I feel like this will be perfect hair for like the summertime or vacation, because you don't want hair weighing you down. And this hair is so light and so bouncy, like it literally feels like nothing. And what I also liked about this wig is that I didn't have to do too much to make it fit my head. All I did was, well, funny story is, before I did this video and before I saw the tutorial about this method that I followed for this video, I saw another video using a different glue, like a stronger glue. And y'all know I don't really glue my units down. I'm like more of a like spritz or elastic band type of girl, but I was gonna try out this glue for review purposes, and I honestly could not get the glue to work. Like it looked good for like 5 minutes for the first half of the video while I was filming, but then like as I kept going on, it just kept losing its like tackiness. It just kept like, it just didn't stick. So that kind of sucked. But yeah guys, so I didn't have to do too much to get it to fit my head. I will have like all the specs, including the size of this cap. But what I did was, all I had to do was cut around the ears to get it to fit, you know, going across. I just had to cut my ear tabs, and that's it. And what's also cool is that this unit has an adjustable strap, so I did not have to install an elastic band. All I did was adjust the straps to get it how I want it to fit, and it fits perfect. Like it's super snug, and as you can see, using the Got2B in the front, it's really not gonna go anywhere, and I really like that. I probably would go ahead and put an elastic band in this to wear it glueless, only because I just need this to be pulled a little taut so that it lays down flat. But with the Got2B, it laid down anyway. But if I was doing this without glue, I think an elastic band would be super helpful. But this unit also has combs in the front and in the back, and I did not take out any combs. I usually do, but this braiding pattern that I have, it kind of is okay, and they're not bothering me too much, and they're actually helping keep the wig secure, especially one in the back. So yeah guys, DYHAIR777, check them out. I do have a coupon code. My code is QUEEN. It'll save you $10, honey. So yeah, make sure you check the description bar and go check out this hair. It's so pretty. Like it's so soft, so light, and it's so bouncy. And when you use that argan oil on it, it gives it this really pretty luster that, you know, you stand out and you look good. So to talk about this method, I will leave the link to the YouTube video that I did see to be inspired by it, but for some reason I'm really feeling it, y'all. What do y'all think? Let me know, because I'm really feeling how it came out. I think the only thing that I could probably do differently, or to make it look even more popping, is to probably pluck some more. But the unit came pre-plucked, and I just did a little bit of, you know, and I also did not bleach my knots. I did foundation on them. So really liking it. And I usually have trouble with cutting around the ear tabs, but this wig, it was pretty good. So how do y'all feel? Alright, so now I'm just showing you how the inside of the wig looks. There's 3 combs and there's a comb in the back as well as an adjustable strap, which made installing the wig super easy because you don't really have to go in with an elastic band. You kind of just throw it on. And yeah, so right now I'm just molding the hair. I'm going to get some mousse and mold the hair how I want it to go. And I'm pretty much just trying to comb everything back so nothing's really in the way when I go ahead and apply it and put it on. So that's all I'm doing here. And after watching so many different YouTube videos like Erica J, she's so helpful. She shows this method, molding the hair down, tying it, drying it so that everything is just in place. And I really like that. So that's all I'm doing here. It's optional, but this is what I did to achieve the look. Now I'm going to go ahead with the wrap strip to tie the hair down so it can secure in place. And I'm using a blow dryer real quick just to make sure that it's dry. Like I said, I've been watching Erica J and she said to make sure that it's completely dry with the mousse so that you get that look. So that's what I'm doing now. And this is how it looks. I definitely could go in and do some more plucking, but this is how it looks right now. So, you know, you could just make it work how you want it to look. So now it's time to apply, and like I said, all I'm using is Got2B Freeze It Spray. And right now I'm just showing you how I'm positioned on my head. You want to make sure it's in the right spot because once you put it down and use the spray, it is in place, girl. So you just want to make sure everything's in the right place. So I'm just going to take the spray and spray it directly on the hair, making sure that I get it on the lace. So this way it kind of just like secures to your skin. That's why you want to make sure that you're bringing your wig before your hairline so that's not getting on the hair, so you don't want to rip anything out because we want our edges. So yeah, I'm just spraying the spray straight onto the lace, onto the hair, and this is just going to stick it in place. And I'm going to use my blow dryer on the cool setting to go over it to really make sure that it molds down. this is how it'll look after you're done blow drying and freeze spraying. I'm using my Touchdown Ultimate Edge Control. I really love this edge control. I received 3 of them and they all smell so good. More details about that will be in another video and down below. But I just used that on my sideburns, and this is basically the final look. It's super easy, super fast, and anybody could do it. So I really hope that this video helps. And let me know how you feel about this method down below.